September 20th at
6:37.
6:37.
Macy Hawk.
Hannah Baha. Lexi Conroy.
Peyton McGrath.
Misa.
Michaela Jacobs.
Gosh, your speech is already 2 minutes long.
Hello, my name is Ava Richmar, and I will be explaining my life goals. So, in life, the question comes up about what your life goals are, and some people don't really know what their life goals are, or they are embarrassed to share. But for me, I have 2 strong life goals, and they are to graduate high school and travel the world. So, my first goal, graduate high school. This might be a boring goal to some people, but I take pride in it. I want to have a successful future, and the first step in having a successful future is to graduate high school. Walking across the stage at graduation is one step in achieving this. I'm going to try my best, and this is how I feel most successful in school. No matter if I get a bad grade on a test, I just have to look to the future and think of my goals. I'm not going to give up, and I'm going to do my best. My other goal is to travel the world. And this goal is a stress reliever goal. So, see, most goals don't have to deal with stress, and they don't have to be something you can accomplish. They can be something little. So for me, I want to travel the world to get to as many countries as I can before I die. I'm been to Costa Rica, and I'm going to Greece, and taking advantages like that is how I will achieve this goal. For me, I strive to have goals in life that makes me me. So having these 2 goals is what I take pride in, and this is how I want to show who I am to everybody in the class. The first step, so graduation, that is a big goal of mine, and then traveling the world is also a big goal, and I'm not going to give up, and I'm going to pursue these goals no matter what.